Today we are going to be looking at protastructure. First of all, you put the environment. This is how it looks. Let's say new. This is the name. Then we'll take our code BS810. Okay. Design. Let me say 1. So to build an environment. Just wait a little bit. Now, it's either we create a grid line from here or from AutoCAD. Assuming we have an architectural drawing from AutoCAD, let's go to AutoCAD. This is a drawing. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 bedroom. First of all, we are going to create a grid line. How do you do that? Just pick your grid line. So, I believe most people know how to do this easily. Let's create our grid line from AutoCAD. So when you create your grid line, you will know where and where you are expecting columns. So this is the vertical spaces you are expecting column. Let's equally place a column here. Now this for the vertical. Let's take a grid line again. Go for the horizontal. So if you don't know how to pick, use a protastructure line like this, comment, then I'll make a video on that. So this is the fastest way to work a grid line. So it's just a G1, just a bungalow. Going to be having it here also. Going to be having it here also. Yes. And yeah, at last. Yeah. So this is the vertical. What's next now? We just have to create a rectangle. We have to create a rectangle, something like this. Then we change all this stuff. All this we don't know how to do them. So I have to trim all this stuff. Now we need to move this to the fresh page. Copy. Let's come here. Let's quickly set this page. Then we paste it here. These are the drawing. First up, let's check the dimension. If to see if this drawing is actually as per what we want to. It is 0 test height. We are just going to consider the test here. That's too big. 200. And come here, set correct. Come here. Yes, correct. Now we have to create layers. Now let's see new layer. See as this one. Let's see as this. Let's make it green. After activate it, come here. Have to move it. Match it with all this property. Now there's this. Now the next thing you have to create a layer again. Say new layer, let's say column. Now activate it. Our column, let's make the color red. That's now. What's that column? Then is the color red. These are column. Now come here. Pick a rectangle. Place it here. What we do, we just have to copy this. All places we want to have columns. So we know all the places we need columns. That is where we are going to be placing this rectangle. flat. Low flat. Low flat. Low flat. See the columns here. Low flat. There's supposed to be a column here, so let's copy this line. Let's make a copy one here. So just do this copy. Copy this to the center here. So you cannot delete this. Then back to this, you can copy now. This column here. This column here. Okay, we need the column here also. We need the column here also. So how do we do that? Click on this. Copy. Take this base point. Take this base point. Then we need the column here. So there's a column. Copy. Trace it here to this base point. Then come back, copy. Now copy center here. So here we have a column. Now here it's supposed to be a big line. Copy here. Before we do that, let's establish a step. Copy.
There's a last survivor.
Then here we need the column.
So we're going to do it by my kids follow me together.
Place it here. Place it here. So here we never need a column. That does not require a column. So this grid is not required. So we have to delete it. This column we have to delete it. Now you can see we have a column. Now here we need the column here. Come here, copy this. Copy this. From here to here. Have a column here. From our tutorial running, yeah, this is have a column here. Here is going to be a block wall. Now here we have a cycle. So we come here, pick here to have the side of the column. Here. Here. Now come back here. Here. So this has to go now create layout for this. So after creating layout, we have to check again where do we need column. Here it's supposed to be a column here. So pick this copy from here to here. Now you still have to consider again. Yes, column here. It's supposed to be a column below, another column here. Carry this. Okay. Let's see. Note, this is not a real life project. We are just explaining an introduction class, how you can go about it from here to here. Now here we are fully placed the columns. What I will do, I'm going to save. I'm going to save it as well. Remember, you have to save it at DSF. Let's say DSF 2010 3 bedroom folder. Okay. Now come to our protastructure. Click our file. Come to this building setup. Now come to DSF file import. Click it. Going to load it. Load. Come to this 3 bedroom. From this 3 bedroom, you have to look for that DSF file. So this is it. Now, if you click here, you have to move it to the corner. This is what the grease to come the corner point. So we don't want that. You have to leave everything like this.